Hi, welcome to Bold Subscriptions. My name is Beth and I'm here to show you around the app. Let's start by covering off a few things to make sure your Shopify store is prepped and ready for install. First off, it's important to make sure that you'll be using a compatible payment gateway. The good news is that Bold Subscriptions work seamlessly with Shopify Checkout and all of its supported payment gateways. To help you out, we've included a link in the description of this video that will list all of the Shopify Checkout requirements. If you're using a non-supported payment gateway, unfortunately, you'll need to change and use one that is compatible with subscriptions on Shopify. You'll also want to make sure you've completed setting up your shipping and taxes within Shopify. And finally, if you wanted to create a subscription-specific product, for example, a mystery box or seasonal subscription, you'll need to first create it in Shopify as well. If you need assistance setting up a subscription, we've also included a link in the description of this video. In order for subscriptions to work properly and display the subscription widget, you'll need Liquid Code to be installed onto your Shopify theme. Here, let me show you. Before installing, we recommend creating a duplicate of your live theme. To do this, go to Shopify Admin, Online Store, duplicate your current theme. To complete an automatic install, all you would need to do is open the app, which will then prompt you step-by-step instructions. Make sure you have the app installed on the correct theme. If at any point you need extra assistance, please visit the Bold Commerce Help Center, where you will have access to plenty of articles and live chat support. Creating your first subscription is easy. Click on Subscription Group, then create a subscription group. First, you're going to create a subscription name. This name will be internal and it won't be seen by customers. Next, choose your subscription product, click Select Products, and select the product you want to offer as a subscription. Customers can swap out their subscription products within the same subscription group. Next, select Subscription Frequency Options. Here is where you would set the frequency of your subscriptions. Your subscription frequency option can be set either day, week, month, or year. Once you've chosen your frequency, you can give it a name. This name will be storefront for your customers to see. Lastly, additional settings. If toggled on, you can offer customers a discount for subscribing, either percentage off or dollar amount off. If everything looks good, don't forget to click Save Changes. There, you've created a subscription. If you ever need to edit the subscription, simply click on the 3 dots under Actions, corresponding to the subscription group, then click Edit Subscription Group. In the Customer Portal section, you can toggle customer permissions. Your customer can log into their account to make changes, pause, or resume their subscription, change their next order date, cancel subscription, change frequency, and create additional orders. To turn on permissions, simply toggle to the right, and to turn off, toggle over to the left. There are 4 subscription-specific email notifications that can be edited and sent out to customers. Other email notifications, such as order confirmations, are managed through Shopify. Before editing the emails, make sure the contact details are correct. Click on Update Setting, and be sure that the contact name and customer contact email is correct. Next, toggle either on or off for the emails you want to send out to your customers. Once you've done that, on the far right hand, there is a section called Actions. Click on the 3 dots corresponding to the email. Here you can either edit email template or send test email. To edit the email, click on Edit Email Template. You can either do a basic text edit or a source code. To do this, all you would need to do is click on the arrows pointing left and pointing right. Once you're satisfied with the edit, you can then preview the notification and send a test email. Email is all set. In the cancellation management, you can decide what happens when a customer initiates a cancellation. There are 2 options to choose from. 1, provide customer instruction. This option instructs the customer to either call or email to cancel. You will see a text box where you can provide cancellation instructions to your customers. 2. Customer retention flow. Here you allow the customers to provide reasons for canceling. This flow can help with churn by better understanding why your customers are canceling. Click on Add Cancellation Reason for the first option, and so on. You can add as many as you like and even have an option for Other, where the customers can provide their own reason for canceling. If none of these two options are selected, the customer will simply see a cancel button to cancel. Don't forget to save. Dunning management is where you can decide what happens with credit card failures. Retry attempts are set to 8 by default, and this is recommended. However, you can change this from 1 to 15 retries. And you can also adjust the number of days before the system tries the credit card again, also from 1 to 15 days. Lastly, it's time to decide what is going to happen to the customer's subscription when the maximum attempts have been reached. Click on the drop-down called once the subscription reaches the maximum number of failures, and select Cancel Subscription, Pause Subscription, or Skip Failed Orders. If you want to offer a product as a subscription only, you can do that by going into the Shopify admin, then scrolling to the bottom of that product. You will see the option, Only allow purchase of this product as a subscription, and check the box to enable. To create a subscription-specific discount code, go into Shopify admin, click on Discount, Create Discount, and Discount Code. Create a discount code for that customer to enter at the checkout. For example, save 10. Select the type of discount, for example, percentage fixed amount or free shipping, then enter the discount value. Next, choose purchase type, either one-time purchase, subscription, or both. You can even set specific eligibility such as product-specific requirements, minimum spent requirements, or even customer set eligibility. Subscription-specific options are under recurring payment for subscription. You can choose either limit discount to the first payment, limit discount to multiple recurring payments, or discount applies to all recurring payments. Finally, if you're happy with the settings, click Save Discount Code, and your discount code is ready to use. So now you're ready to see the subscription in action. Be sure you are previewing the theme where the liquid code was installed on. Search for your subscription product, and your subscription widget is ready to see. If you would like to process a test order, you can create a one-time use discount code and use it at checkout with a real credit card. Customers can create an account to manage their subscription, but first you'll need to enable the customer account feature in Shopify admin under checkout settings. This is convenient for both customers and merchants. To create an account, simply click on the person icon, then create an account, then enter their credentials. Once a customer has created an account, they can then sign in and click on Manage Subscription. They will see their active subscriptions, detail about their subscription, such as next order date, product, and shipping address. Order frequency and payment information will be located in the first box. To expand further, click on Show Details. This is where your customers can make changes such as payment information, address, shipping information, products in subscription, order history, and even cancel a subscription. If there's anything else I've missed, please visit our Help Center where you will find amazing articles on how-tos and troubleshooting. There you can also reach our support team via chat where we are always ready to help. Don't forget to visit our resource page on boldcommerce.com and get inspired with our thorough library of guides, tools, and case studies. Bye for now.